Alright guys, so I started the challenge 2 weeks ago about trying to flip $5 to something very reasonable to probably $1,000, and here's the result of the third week of giving it a try. So I already know the answer to whatever happened, and then also I want to also let you guys know, stick to the end of this video. There are a bunch of insight I'm going to give you by the end of this video, so just stick to the end and watch it full. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you want more content like this. And yeah, I'm going to be very honest with you on this my journey, on this my trading journey. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the video.
What's good, traders? This is your boy Glenn right here once again, and today is another day of doing the $5 to $1,000 challenge. Yeah, in the past we failed it constantly, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's just give it a try. Today is a Monday, and yeah, I'll be going on the chat right now to see what I'm to just look for any possible trading opportunities, and if I see any, I'll let you guys know. And now, without further ado, please click the like button. Yeah, I'm being serious. Click the like button if I continue the video. Click it right now. Click it right now. If I see any trade opportunity, I'll let you guys know. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so I just got into this trade right now. So this is the trade. This is my target. And I will update you all on how the trade goes. So I'm contemplating on whether to get into this trade. You know, this was the initial trade idea which I had, but the reason why I closed it earlier on was because of I felt price have almost eaten my take profit, so there's no real need. But now we've gotten that reversal back to the other side. I'm looking at the whole thing. The whole thing seems very bullish, but I'm still seeing possibility for sales. But for now, I want to see the reduction in the candle momentum. But if I don't see that, I want to see smaller bodied candle rather than this larger bodied candle which I'm seeing right here. But if I don't see that, then I'm not just going to enter the trade. So let's just see. Now update you all. Boom, boom, boom. What's good, guys? So it's literally late at night, and I was not able to update you guys earlier on about the progress of the account. I went for my IT. For those that may not know what IT is, it's internship. So I'm working like it's not a paid work, like going for the practical side of this my schooling. I'm an anatomy student, so I was not literally able to do any of those. I came back very late. Came back around 6 p.m. So I was actually really tired. My phone was very low. So yeah, but let me just show you the current outcome of the account. You guys might be expecting that the way I'm laughing, I'm in profit. I beg you, don't take my laugh for ammo. Don't take my laugh. I'm actually in a loss. So I'm in about 98 cent loss. I took a sell on GBUSD at work, but I wasn't able to just record the whole process and the rest. Now, guess what? Price literally hits my stop loss and stays tanking. That was ultimate pain. Like, okay, that aside, then I took another sell on Euro USD. Then price was running in my direction. I think about 3 hour or 4 hour. Then when I saw that, I just immediately moved supposed to break even to be sure that since I'm not going to be able to go on the chart, so that at least I have rest of mind that I'm not going to lose anything. So the price pretty much took me at break even. The account balance right now is at $4.02. So I'll just pop it somewhere about it's literally late at night. I think it's 12 a.m. So literally the next day. But by New York, by London open, I'll also get on the chat again and show you guys what I'm looking at. So peace out. Don't mind me, don't take me out. I'll probably delete that part. Yeah, peace out guys. Alright guys, what's good? Welcome back. So yesterday I know I did not do any updates about the chat and everything. But as like yesterday, there was nothing really specific to be able to do the to be able to give you guys an update, because yesterday I did not take any trade. Though I took a trade during the session, but that was, you guys will see the whole clip show. So right now I just placed a buy limit order on Euro USD. That's actually what I'm looking at here on Euro USD. As you can see, this is Euro USD. And news is about coming up, but I don't think it's something, it's a red impact news, but I'm not sure it's something of really importance. So this is my entry right here. I'm going in with a 0.02 lot size. So this is the trade. 0.02. As I'm saying, this is my balance right here. So I'm going to 0.02. And I'll see how it plays out. Whichever way, I'll update you guys on the trade. So this is what I'm looking at right now. I'm going to be entering sales right just around here. This is the outcome of the trade. It was a 7.4-hour trade. We'll see what price asks for us for the buy setup soon. We still have the buy setup. Alright guys, so this is what's happening on USD. As you can see, we have this deep massive sell. But good thing was I got out at just around the I got out around the area. So I got out with 80-cent profit because I was seeing possibility for a reversal. So I got out in time. It's still USD as you can see. So my account balance is currently sitting at $3.95. And so far this morning, I don't know what's wrong with TradingView watch list. It's just been loading since around 6 a.m. So let's just see though. This news movement, this very small spike to the upside, they were both anticipated, but I didn't enter it. I'm trading a small account to avoid news, so I didn't enter it. But I was looking for buys there, which as you can see did not come to fruition. But right now I'm going to be looking for sales. Normally my target to be at this area right here. I want to be at this area right here, but I'm going to be targeting higher. So let's just see how it goes. I'm going to be targeting a bit higher than that level. So let's just see how it goes on. I've not calculated my lot size here, so I'll calculate it and do that, then let you know. So this is 326. So I'll update you all. Alright guys, so here's the trade. But bad thing is we're not activated. I'll explain the reason why in a jiffy.
Alright guys, so I've come to the end of the week and I've come to the end of the challenge, and at the end of the day we're just at break even. That's We are still at the same balance we started the challenge with. We're at $5.38, and NFP was just released. Let me show you guys what actually happened on NFP and the trade setup that we basically missed. So alright guys, this was the trade which I placed on Euro USD. So trade I placed on Euro USD, as you can see. I had this entry, it was missed. I had another entry right here, it was missed, and then this also was missed. And as you can see, NFP played out that's perfectly well. To prove to you guys that I actually got in on this trade. Okay. Here is when I came back to see what has already happened already, and so here is it though. At this time I was waiting, probably I'll get activated, but in the end, as you can see, I was not activated. And yeah, that brings us to the end of this. So this is the ending balance for the account, $5.38. So I'll just give the thing a try again once more next week. But here's the thing, next week on the very fresh which I'll be taking next week, I'll most likely just go full margin. Probably I'll risk the full $5 on the account, or probably I'll just risk $3. But yeah, between that range, $3 to $5, depending on the kind of setup I get. And now for some of you that may ask, why do I prefer scalping? I get a bit nervous when I stay in a trade for so long, so I actually came up with my own edge, which enabled me to be able to be in and out of the market within, let's say, 10, 15, at most 1 hour. So that's just it. Now I'm not saying you guys should not trade the 1 minute, you guys should not scalp the 1 minute. It's pretty good, it's pretty profitable, but don't trade it if you don't know how to trade. So on my end, you guys might see I enter a bunch of buy and sell orders regularly, or I place a lot of sell limit, buy limit at the same time. Here's what I do most time, just in order to reduce my risk. I always hedge literally 90 to 80% of my positions, and that way I'm able to always reduce my risk. Now hedging is something that you cannot just come up and just decide that, okay, I want to sell here, I want to buy here. It's something that you have to gather a lot of data from before you begin to do it. So I've gathered a lot of data, and me personally, I don't back test, I always forward test. So I've done nearly 350 trades in terms of forward testing. So I started forward testing the whole thing in February, this edging, though my strategy as a whole, I've been for testing it since last year. And so that's just, I'm just giving you just a little insight to those that scalp and those that might like to trade my style. I mostly trade structure, liquidity. Then all of this I was able to gather a lot of resources from trading Wyckoff previously, so I was able to just do simplify everything and trade what works for me. So same thing for you guys, just trade what works for you. And yeah, I know there have not been any real progress on the account, but let's see how it goes. I should upload this video anytime from now. And yeah, peace out guys.